Obia Kwaba, OB4GTV, the name still remain on for back. My dear, my friend, the CEO of OB4GTV, Prophet Dr. Apostle in Kenya. Papa, Uza, OB4GTV.
Yo, Minia.
Now, Pume,
a Christian.
the share,
and no crap.
the share, and another two.
Now, send them to quiet. I want to say, oh, wow, I do a piano, I will be between you more. And a Bible grab me and say, one yam only and 1 yam on your coupon. And as the phones were got yourself, you'll be now to also the IE. And today, what one for being wrong to hear and see a war, bravo.
So now before GTV, another topic for today is trending. We can say trending cry and say trending energy, trending energy. Papa, you can say trending cry. There's a trending. Me say you okay, I say we be social media, YouTube, NAS, or any man a better catch attention. Or any man like me, yam yakasa me trendy, me yam majidin, me yam ha.
What did you organize about? Banumia Sophie. May the may you want to mama trending more in me.
Yes.
Because I already know it's not trendy. Me told them good woman to form a talk. No one was here. What I say? Now we are so for another way in Nipper be not oh, don't want. Again, I want with the tongue. Uji. Joe, every be away and I won't yet one on market.
Yes. But when you're not your more,
you nipper be on the social media near you. And then what's another one was America. I said, Ghana, when does it Ghana 24 trans young one? YouTube no omonche kasa ye ka omonche o kare brofo a ano on betie
brofo no betie ase
o jase endi mpanifo no motie kasa no a angrofo good platform so social media na ye kan nsem kwase ye ye esa ban mpanifo no timi broko mu nyina ana o si o me ye play go mu nyina ni ma na
wo ya adwene e wo baby because on social media me da bia me kasa ase mo so o hwe Nigerians omo content omo de ba na ahwe Ghanaians your content your de ba almost your problem because Nigerians the content ba educative programs ne enema afutuo ne nema ne mewu o ha Ghana dia aboa uni twase ni kwasia atendie nko a
le katro de bia se sha adwene anya adwuma ni ba bia bre kujemi
Ethiopia
yen Ghana fo no sa de bi ba wiase ni pese ye bia ye digimi go bien de me kasa
Ethiopia no tena Ethiopia
social media no ho se ye de be hia de ye bia ye obi nim ani de obi nim a wa ya mo dia gidi
yes
what you say na ye so kwa ni say
ya de se ne ya yes
enem ne ayi kan tie
no
o di tie social media no eni wa se ye di o ye di sia die ye di tu obi fo ye di tu wiase fo eni wonu ma se ma ku pie be pru wonu ma pa e ye di keji ma o pie o wo wiase dia ani ma nda ku pon to ma nipa no ahwe ma wo tu di ne o da chi na wo ko jimi wo
because I come here say na asopo fo nyina e pe trending and now better TV so ye ne papa Reverend Ousmane better TV
o papa no
say ye papa ni
onka me o dun we Ousmane pa ne papa
say obi ye mi pa yes
wo do ye mi ni ya ka se o ye ntia ka na fo ye hu ye mi ni no min ka se tia Prononce o sofo period
okay sofo
o ye sofo en ka se Ghana ho papa Ghana mi ni ayi papa no o ye sofo na mi ye sofo ti se mi ni papa no o jeri ye
Ethiopia
fia Bible can say before can say because mun hwa mi nhia me se ni hwa Kristo hia no e di obi no hwa o wuzu be mpa mo hia na nya sasambai ana ofa e ti mi ka to de anyo papa no because na brabo na open say papa ana ofa ani papa dia na banya free unya free and your first or your sofu e sa papa ba no o tato e go ni de kaje o se mi ai fu me ho a ni to mi Yesu wa premi
o to de
ni Yesu wa premi mi market no ama wiase hu se awurade wa wa frɛ mu no tumi wɔ ne mu
wo ton wo Yesu a wa frɛ wo
yes ɛnyɛ bibi wo na mɛtɔ ho enti da bia meka asɛm bi sɛ asɔfo bi ɔma meto nhwɛ wo na mesere wotia ka ame hɔ anka wagye nkyerɛ wo sɛ wowɔ nimdeɛ wɔkɔ sukuu awie wotumi kenkan bible wotumi ka borɔfo wotumi ka kasa biaa bi enti woawie abrabɔ asantefoɔ se sɛ obi dɔ afuo ne nyankopɔn ahunu mu a ɛnyɛ yie wote aseɛ sɛe deɛ nti a ɔmo sɛ wotɔ afuo ne nyankopɔn ahunu mu a ɛnyɛ yie ne sɛ nyankopɔn ne bɔ nsuo nyame ne tɔ nsuo bɛbɔ a enti yɛyɛ wodua afuo no anaasɛ wodua ne ma wo no sɛ awurade amfa ne nsuo mu so ɛka fam wɔ aporɔ wote aseɛ nti sɛ woyɛ biribi na sɛ wode yɛ ma wiase ahunu a ma nyame ne nkan na tɔ nyankopɔn ɔsɛ monkɔ ka asɛm no nkyɛ gya hyɛ me nama nyinaa ɔsɔfo a wohwɛ me nsɛ bɛ na wokɛkyɛ wiase wotie paa ɔsɔfo a wohwɛ me yɛ nsɛm na wokɛkyɛ wiase wotɔ wo ho brane bɛgye wo woba deɛ bɛka na yɛfa na wowɔ tumi bɛ nkutɔ tumi wei anaa dwe wo deɛ no ma yɛ ma nyame dwene ɔsɛ mo ma nyame honhom a ɛwɔ mu no anaasɛ nyame su na ɛwɔ mu no ɛntrɛ mo mu mo nyame honhom ntrɛ mo mu sɛ nyame honhom te obi mu a ɔmema ne ho so o ɔbrɛ ne ho ase hyɛ adom no ase na adom no pagya enti mesi metɔn Yesu obi bɛtwa wo nte aseɛ because metɔn Yesu no ɛnyɛ wo sika ade berɛ mi o meka awurade tiri mu pɔ ama wo wate atɔ na ma baabi a wɔno hu me baabi mo bɛnsu hu but asɛm a meka nka wobɛte mentɔ Yesu a
messages ni bi ba ma menkenka sɛ messages ya na ba mo do nti way from Bernard or say I'm watching OB4GTV prophet the pastors of today are selling themselves not God but the pastors of today no omo ton omo enye rade ona na ya adena
me ne nya adena
but pastors of today
asofo ne ton won ho omo ton na gugu ana me ka tell say me ne nya adena so le asofo odi nyame ne namu a nyame ne ton no na omo ton no nyame
no kire se asofo no now instead of ton beton nyame no omo ton omo
okay
Mercy Susu say I'm watching OB. Sell OB4GTV. Was a man of God. I'm watching the program. I like the show. And God bless you. God bless you. God bless you too. Elvis was I'm watching OB4GTV. That big up my brother. You are doing God's work. God bless you, my brother. I'm watching. Sakina was say I'm watching OB4GTV. Bro, God bless you. God bless you too. Derek was OB4GTV. Keep the fire burning. The pastors of today, they always want to live in a luxurious life, living a luxurious life, and living in big mansions and cars. They don't think about the church members.
Yo, you don't see why I'm here.
Bright say, I like the show. You are doing God's work, but keep the fire burning. They always want the good part and leave the bad one to the church members.
Yo,
okay. The pastors you more to it. Kufo say what they say the area 3,000. I know what. Mensa boy, I also say OB4GTV. Tell Reverend Nyankeja, Reverend, okay, Reverend Nyankeja that he should keep the fire burning. The pastors of today are trying their best, but their best is for their pockets. Also, more you know, one so more. I'm one of me in terms of Obio, but the Rabin said, oh, yeah, I mean, now. Collins, as I'm watching you live, OB4GTV. God bless you. God bless you too, brother. Prof. Young message in there.
I'm saying, guys, and be said, if you ask you, me told you, but we make it the middle one dance. Yes. No, guys, I'm going to go, Massam. The way you do, yes. Bia one man san to but brother je never on go yes. And now open so asori bia o se nyame nsa ye no bia ro se mo su ma the first mount aso die do make sense we nyina me ka mani pa hu se adwuma na ye no nyame dia
Jatu Mercy Ankwa because school God Grace International School Pacho, Samuko Squa, Mosham nose mask, Namo from hands and ties and comedamasi.
I say, Papa one, Papa, Nameka, YouTube, Ghanaians, you usually because I can't train in Ghana and Ghanaians are we using the YouTube well?
Do me that say.
Because I said, yeah, the young Kwasi, I said, me say.
Can I say young Kwasi?
Because me share me tenasi dina me hwɛ sɔfo panini pa na ɔsɔ camera si ne so na ɔburu nua wɔ so mehwɛ na ɔba pa na ɔte YouTube na wa start na odi atem woni twa ase ni o ma me this o ma me ensema me ntimi nkan free man na me busa mo say they call themselves Christian masachra masesa mayese na me busa mo say what are we using the platform for abroni no create YouTube no to one. Or the platform is a very lucrative business. But yes, you did Jimmy be say.
I was in a big guy because I'm a kind of see Ghana. Yes, me 2 years and never be a year behind. If you do Ghana, ha.
Yes, sir.
Not the Brennan, you're very Jimmy. You know because of the Jimmy. You share here.
Yes.
You never the only imped my thing.
Yes.
And Kwasiasan na bi nsisu na bi ni se Kwasiasan na oye no and one is oye bi nyeska
yes
onyine kira hyem oni ba bia wo hwe me sabre ya onyine kira unim nyansa obi na yense na wo ye YouTube ni duo
yes
ana wo be gina na odi di Kwasiasan odi di Kwasiasan ma ka to so yamma ya gini nya adwuma YouTube ayadisua
yes.
Yes, young also.
Yes.
You do also.
Yes.
You man, you name a pa. Oh.
Basa Ghanaians, yet YouTube needing Kwasiasan.
Ghanaians now. Ghana for Binu, I have given you Juma.
Yes.
And yet,
many correction now.
Yes.
Because a conform be the content. Who's a content in it that was Nyansa educative.
That's
including OB4
GHTV. What I say?
Yes.
Ghana for Binu the Yagina tour. Ye no platform so ma edi fasuo tun grofofo e me group bi journey free ye chim bi.
Yes.
Last night me da one pine. I found the video ya ho. E go ni me dance so me no ka na hu za wo sie gumi a hu ni sa se me ka no. E firi mu na me ka kire wo.
Yes.
Tie me da one pine e for platform yo. Ana ready na jam za me ma dia wudi. Oga so wudi agrobat me nam so eyi ni baby free bia bi.
Yes.
Not there say na for me ensa. Ebo potom ko go from oduma. Na ba ko program na na hwim e twe no.
Just ko je dura ko se.
O ko je do be yeduma. Ana attach hom. O ma yai. Ada ba di bi esa go to e bomb dam. O chance here. Enemi mo se so for dam say. Ye wo ye no e wiase na na ready ye wo ye.
Yes.
Because nye di ehunu na me ka kire.
Yes.
Na ye me de say ye ni na ge de visebi. And ni pam.
Yes.
Nipa bebrebe. Problems nipa was more than 25,000.
Yes.
Anehwe.
Yes.
Imagine say e die ba de pa na wo ndia. E nyame ho hum bia e di wachi. Ani nyame ani wonyam bi ode bo wo. Ana mo problem e du be aduro. E di na bi me ka say ni anwo ode no. Yes. Ye me trans ye be fem.
Yes.
Jabi.
Ana say be basic be na.
Ye tu nkrofo bia wo di nyame di agro ho.
Because nka ye sika ne e.
Ye tu onfu.
Enka ya metena YouTube no say na ode be man.
Say no be mo. Na YouTube be mo sika. Except I go get money sika.
But the motive ne say wo baby a won tie nka no. Yes so nim de nyame de aman no. E be disseminate dia to YouTube.
Now go go.
Yes, na de abo aboso. Na abo me na oman ne nya asomdwe. Enso ye nuamu no bi no mo.
E bi no
ya. Na so camera se so. Ha, me ne friend me we kokko. Me we ne me da. Sofo we ne me da. Minister we ne me da. Entidie obi no wo da entidie.
Na time a ko no wona ona da no. I
don't know go video ameto so. I na say bia ase nyankopon nim di ase nyame adwuma no enkofo bia ya o madwen say they want to destroy it. And the motive o ma certain say you be bring it down pastors. O ma pastors. emo ka mo hwe
mame mo
me dio
yeah de nyame aisa no ye body de nya no
yes
ana se nyango bon si obi hina utu na ntu
yes
mame ga nam jo so we so for ni bi say o blow no mo balance ya o wa twamura god dey rebo wi ase
yes
o nango mo create ni wi ase na oni ho endu go to YouTube so jibi o ho a krana on one YouTube no pa na
David
you suffer yourself uku ho oba voice wo yo ni o onu de to no say no
because they make us an say na obefo Ghana YouTube YouTube channel say Ghanaians die amo ye na
okay
untimi nkonya content enye ebia owusu bempa insult agrada reverend Pambo insult this we insult that we attended and people are there and said the people we respect we look hwe almost ye besu omo no sabi omo no mo yesanya
and no men can it be on the to paso the Bible said the general no o tinene na o ne popo ye ni bo e die ntimi yango ne pe
yes
I want to ask here but any go about the whole TV station kesia so e brulia tieni yo I ain't gonna go with Paul ko ni report domin 3000 nani e brulia o ye sofo o za Paul a wodi na chino o jina ni pa 3000 o preach chiro won nani e bo bia
because the pulpit is a sacred ground and can be a nipa ma hono eye holy but nanu mu fa no nti o nam de ko na ma ye we na ma ye ze ko na mu di no agrada azu so betena so no so di atam sa uni hwasini we
aya agrada se mem fam ma agrada nim nyan onim nyame agrada onim nyame tie oya akwara ye feni baby agrada oya akwara wonam bifrese e wonam mu tie niye e di agrada ye bibia onom ya so form so kuta dom e fam compare on agrada ye baby wonam mu agada nim yakopon tiye
na men frɛ na na sa fe
mesi wonim yakopon akora ba sori dem a na o tise so fu preacher de o kan on tiase sana ni wo agrada oyo bi a oye baby ye manufo ana bo so for to ikase sana pa no oye gridi agada de ono wato sele ni ho o to ne ho
o de pet
o pe kwa o ba to trende ono on Saturday oye baby wona mi and is only say so go be na be down no so okuta dom any agrada e batla with our own house of Lord say uche na me kan ye ba and is obe kaya time ni ni Ebenezer any agrada issue ba ya ozu be bako so mo na mo ozu be ba oda for mo ni de oye
yes futu na de be ma de YouTube ne bloggers no ma bana o mo use content no they be all the time on the content be bana just here try say obi be hwe ase no de sa content na ba obi be to aminem ansa na content no ba o mu ntimi sore nka se net de e bi a me channel me the topic aba se yemfa bi a desperation yemfa bi a stress yen discuss but ne dia ne se what say agrada ne osu be mpa ko opambo ne osu be mpa ko we ni we ko eno ho ano mo de trend so
yo mami ka me njo ada se pe mo bro do does any agbebre ba na ni no bi ho akire
ne ho akire
na so wo design na bo bra so wo akirichiri
wo adwumaye
wo adwaka sia ye anjo obi asa ho ensuasa
o che esa o che awpa
wo che awpa ewiase di bi na mi ni binti ni mo ho woni kan ye
eye
hwe suna mi ni bi
hwe suma mi ni bi
edema ho woni kan
ye de to ase hwe suma mi ni bi no
ebe
na abo bi foforo ba nti hwe so na mi ni
bi
nti wo gina na wo hwe ara na no so didi bi nti wo hwe mi no no wo didi ebi na so so be didi no so ahwe ama
sanity enu timi cha ona o mo hwe OB4GH ono mo bie platform ni bebrebe no mesira ka tell won say enye greedy ma content ya wo dey do program ne so no enya futuo ma obi ansa che nipa bi enu na obenya nhira a efiri nyame nsam na nhira eni bebe ta auto no awurade aboa mo akonim anya ne berebere e ma hantan ngura fa o problem tu nipa fu fa o problem no ama nipa bi huru se nima pa bi zu wo zu mu odi ade de be ka ayayi kakra bi da no so na de ye ede na be jafrim dia para be jafrim me ti yase me hwe do bi ye ba yibi na me ka se ko se nchiro o che no di dwane uje ni ye wo ba pro wo pa wi asisi ka o obe jawako ma de na otrim enye fita manipa ma obi ahwe ase enye omobo ma obi haw enye wo haw enwe obi nsia no abra wakọ maniem na wo woni nyi na oba se ko be tumen unim se me na wanyame ada wo ye de obe para ketua da woni mu tweo mesraw prese wo be ye bibi wen se na obi ama obi bufro dan se obehwe obi abra bo na se obi amani atono na dia sero.
Don't look down upon people. Still on obi for Jesus. Let me stay with me no more for that. Don't look down upon people. That Mr. Advice can come be me be or obi for Jesus. Me nia be man me nia ba me papa me mama me soa me nia to me nia three. Say who create YouTube channel. My channel is very educated to the sense say stanzas any policies say a whole YouTube. Betting the require a policies in habiting a qualify for content. What it to that should be. When you walk now, Baba Sha, one who said, me mamma, and me papa, Minia, Ketua, and me brap and in the far dear order to why because eh, brow way. See a nano sunipa and come mine. Brow way, a dear way or the two and the mouth, mine and Danny and my brow way, and some way or kind ya, when for the sound, my brow way, a dear way no ye ya, vicinity, a ye. Mammy and Cassa brow way, and was a some corn or the YouTube, brow way, a drama some corn or the YouTube, brow way, and some one or the YouTube, just because of views. I always say, say, mean one view, now one view, when you the content now, me dear come, would see the 24. I'm an son, at least me one soul. My interest is not for money, but it is for influence. I don't call old before for so. Nani pano baker said, we share all before GTV, and now my life I change to this.
Mamma got a job. Obi share program yaw. Me mama go baby yaw. O share me frame ka jam say sofu. Eradi nsho. Now minim Masimo unimi but we need
Yes.
And as much as fine was OB4G TV. Now hey, but me sorry. I don't them here sorry. Then tell me sorry say. Say was the did you me?
Yes.
Uje. I don't know now. What I don't know. OB4G TV. Ya be but na so dey yesua dey ndi. Ye ya enje no zofo. Ye yesua dey who kan o. Ye di bi pop bra. Say dey be ya da chi bi. Yes. What you say? Ya dia bi be da o man chirima. Na usuba nyepa. Ya me see. About them be a whole platform me so. And try that so by you read him at a contain da. Me can overcast me can tra. And never da. And you want the jamu and 12 da. Nipa be be say be ready cast send pan. E ready no me da. Yes.
So do what do
you that jam? And you are two platform. I'm a yes in the Bible say. A brand so do go more ye or danger and the trouble in the to me crew. And they are not cast to Bible. And you big da. Oh, Abraham. ha obi si me wa no twa wada ja kire me ka je nya TV na na phone no so na ba mu ohuma da ja so do me na ba me nchen a na onya eye me wa de me da ja be hu enya bi da
Chetifo. Mama me record. What's my dream because and some na air koso o mine no. Me try TV one betum zamza. Enti mpanifo ni bi ni any reasonable comment there on betima come on social media rather than to say kwasia panyin wajimi abua kwasia ena woni ekufo de your size uyeye o size no sabi o size no amena wo enu ni tutu ye hwe o level ni tu 6 feet the man enu na your size
ne size ni chele chano although you go be ma wa
asi ni peti mi ma ya nso saa mi da bia me kasa as me example me say ye wonkofo bi mba ga na mba ji o mu di pa ye hu mu bio Rollins way
oko
Atames way
oko
Eli Mahama
oko
Ambisa Ata
oko
Sir John
oko
ye wo dignity sa o ma de ji o mu dia Jake Otanka obi tebilamte oko Dr. Kwame Nkrumah
oko
oyi Kofi Annan
oko
omo no nye nipa nsini wo enso ewo ba ye no wa mfere wo
baby
Kofi Annan the whole world
the whole yasinyina
UN Secretary General.
On the Grand Check President.
As so, the Sika be baby or near any man at long last. Oh, coy. And Mamma me and fire home tree of Nya dear so. And Mamma me and fire home tree Sika so. And Mamma me and fire home too. Ye japa did ye a war and my me ya know the cancer beer. That's ye knew what. A better know me and to our next generation. Miss Sramu, be very careful. With the kind of content you did, I always say YouTube should create a software for translation. Said the YouTube should create a software for translation. Said any content I bet to one, it will automatically translated into English, no matter what you are disseminating outside. If it's good, they take it. If it is bad, no matter delete it. They shouldn't block it. They should delete the content. Because when they block your site, said the YouTube no revenue no revenue. And they shouldn't delete it. They shouldn't block the content, block the site. They should delete the content you posted there. They should delete that content immediately at all. They should delete it because people are just bringing in content to be the youth coming, pick that kind of behavior, and it's bad.
You guys, you ready? You try your chair. On our women now, so for Madame of your Ransford, Papa Daruma, Mr. Yano, Modiano, Fred, I could not know a Casavati, and before I say, come around where you never throw the data. Navachami, and then Jumedia is here in Sunti, and everyone who is this. So for Ranford, maybe I will be around Kupon Shaw no Bush now. Animal made doctors. Mamma, maybe I won't be out of the other in some house. Yes. We'll put your back. And then on take your papa. Jama, ma, and I ate the horse. Umane, yes, Yeba. Mr. Ado. And then Papa see watching one more US land in UK. Say what? But then what beer and channel? My mom was brought you on the Cassandina. And on Islam so. Anna, Master in Penny for what time that you will be there. Abena Pokia. Or a madam back of Obama don't know yes in Anna. A being coming with the
about I don't know we are and I'm so much amateur for my dog for Ning and I'm a chairman of Bush Mayer and Bush of Manchester. Obako ya chiako cha Bishop Funing and I'm chairman and the chairman and me and Funing and brothers and sister. God bless you and always God bless you, God bless you, God bless and make your life a better place to live. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye bye.